We're back in the Mini. How to retrofit a 6-disc CD changer into a Mini Cooper R50. First, check to make sure the wiring is present. So you release this panel here. If the wiring's present, it'll be tucked in here somewhere. And you should have 2 plugs, it looks like that. So what you need to do, you need to then unscrew this panel, screw there, and then tuck the cable so it pops out from underneath. Now you've tucked the cable underneath so it pops out like so. I have trimmed my carpet. I've actually cut this interior carpet around. What I did, I just stood the change on the top where it should be, and drawed around it and cut it out. There's a reason for this. It's because underneath here, this Mini doesn't have a spare. It has a toolkit underneath. So by cutting the carpet, it allows me to lift this carpet up with the CD changer in place. If it didn't do this, I wouldn't be able to lift this carpet. So once you've done that, you then lay the changer down and you find 2 plugs, one there, one there, and all you do is just simply plug it in. As you can hear, the CD changer is powered up. It's now cycling through. It's a bit awkward to do this while holding the phone in one hand and it will go in there. One way or the other. Can we get in there? Let's unplug this for a sec. I think it goes. The plug only fits one way, and it's a bit. There you go. That's it. That's plugged in there. And plug the power cable back in. So, stand it up now to mount it. The screw that you took out here for the trim, you then refit like so and screw it in there. And then you have to use a drill bit and drill a hole for the other side. Once you've done that, you can then screw this to the plastic trim. And then finally, put the trim in place. So they screwed this in. Now that's secured in place, solid, you can then lift the carpet to get to your toolkit. As simple as that. And what you do, press the button, pop it out, put a CD in. Once you put a CD in the cartridge, just to test, put it in, then close it up. It should cycle through, which it is. And we'll just go around to the front. Once you're in the car, turn ignition on. Turn the volume down, because if not, YouTube will penalise me for copyright. And press the mode button, and it should come up with CDC, CD1, track 1. And there you go. Job done.